Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by getting both devices ready. Install the Google Home app and sign into your Google account. Make sure the Google Home speaker is powered and broadcasting at setup mode. This usually shows a pulsing light. On your iPhone, turn on Bluetooth and location so the app can detect the speaker. Once detected, the app will prompt you to add a new device. Follow those initial on-screen prompts to begin pairing and assigning the speaker to a home and room. Once the device appears in the app, you'll configure identity and services. Give the speaker a clear name and choose the room so voice routines work reliably. Make sure to accept microphone and notification permissions. These enable voice match and personalized results. Next, link your preferred services. Add Spotify, Apple Music via third-party linking if available, and connect calendar accounts for reminders. Also set your default music provider and language in settings so voice commands return expected results without extra prompts. To finish, run voice match and test simple commands like, "Hey Google, play music," to confirm the iPhone and speaker interact smoothly. If something fails, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and that the Google Home app has required permissions. Try restarting the speaker and your iPhone and reauthorize linked services. If issues persist, unlink and relink accounts or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Remember that resets erase saved preferences, and you'll need to redo setup from the start.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.